Welcome to Jaywick Sands, a seaside town on the Essex coast with a story far more complex than its reputation might suggest. Known by many as the worst seaside town in the UK, Jaywick is a place of contradictions, where hardship meets resilience and decline is challenged by community spirit. Jaywick wasn't always known for its struggles. Founded in the 1920s as a holiday retreat for London's working class, it offered a slice of paradise where families could escape the smog and chaos of city life. Small chalets were built as affordable getaways, never intended for permanent residence. But as decades passed, Jaywick's fortunes changed. Economic decline, rising unemployment, and aging infrastructure led to its unfortunate reputation. Media headlines often painted a bleak picture, focusing on poverty, crime, and neglect. I spoke with a local man. Here's what he had to say.
They call it the worst seaside town, but that's because they don't look past the surface. We've got problems, sure, but there's a lot of good here too. People look out for each other. It's like a big family.
Despite the challenges, Jaywick is home to a tight-knit community determined to improve their town's future. Local initiatives have sprouted up, aiming to tackle issues like housing, education, and employment. One such initiative is the Jaywick Community Resource Center, where residents come together to find support and solutions. Projects like these show that positive change is possible, even in places written off by the outside world. And it's not just the people. Jaywick still boasts natural beauty, with expansive beaches and breathtaking sunsets that rival any other seaside town in the UK. For those willing to look beyond the headlines, there's something special here. Jaywick is a reminder that places are more than their reputations. They're made up of stories, of resilience, hope, and people who refuse to give up. So next time you hear about the worst seaside town, remember to look a little deeper. You might just find something beautiful. Jaywick Sands, a story of resilience and community. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this drone footage of Jaywick, and if you did, why not click follow, like, and share for you guys on TikTok and for you guys on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel for more great videos to come. Again, thanks for tuning into my channel. Come fly with me.